this video, I'm going to show you how to allow all message requests from everyone on Instagram. Now, it's a little different for 2024, so let's just get into it. So you go to your Instagram, you see your homepage here, you just go to your bottom right to click your profile, to go onto your profile. Then from here, you go to the top right to the three lines. Then you come down, and it's a little bit of a different layout than it was maybe a year or two ago. So you just scroll down, and you see this section where it says how others can interact with you. And then you see messages and store replies at the top, so you click that. And then from here, you go into your message controls. And here it's very simple. So you see where it says your followers on Instagram, and then on the other side it says don't receive. So you want to click that. And you want to hit the other button here where it says message requests. And that's going to simply allow you, and you can do the other one as well. That's going to allow you to receive Instagram messages from people who follow you, but also who people that don't follow you can also message you without any kind of restriction, and you'll be able to see who is actually trying to reach out to you. So I hope this helps, and make sure to like and subscribe for some more easy Instagram videos.